Hello.
Alright, what's up people? Welcome back to the Temple FX YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Euro AUD breakdown on how I made £2,000 in one trade. If you guys go into the link in the description, my Instagram's there, you can head over to there, send me a DM, get on my Telegram signals. All of these trades that you've seen on the channel so far have been sent to my Telegram group chat. So if you want to be eating as well as the members, then head over there. First 20 people that type YouTube get it for totally free. After that, it's £30 per month. Yeah, let's get straight into the charts.
Welcome back to the channel. Remember, if you are new here, press subscribe, like, comment, see what other videos you want to see on this channel. I'm proper thirsty for making loads and loads of videos, so tell me what you want to see and I shall make that for you. But for now, let's jump straight into the Euro AUD trade and I'll break it down for you and show you how you could have made £2,000. So obviously we're going to start on the daily time frame because of top-down analysis, and I was looking at buys around this area here. So first thing I looked at was, can I place a trend line? And I placed a trend line from this point to this point, like so. So an ascending trend line. So originally what would have been a good trade is if it come down, retested around this area and went higher, but obviously it didn't. So then I look for the buys around down this bottom area, as well as placing the Fibonacci tool from this low here up to the high, like that. And as you can see, we got a daily time frame 78.6 Fibonacci level, which is the last point of the Fibonacci invalidation. So now you're going to drop it down to the 4 hour, and you can see the structure levels starting to come out a bit more. So yeah, so where I actually took this trade from was down here, and basically I saw sort of this level, this whole level here of structure, as well as this double bottom. So the double bottom, the structure, and the 78.6 tap was enough confidence for me. As well, if we put on the 4 hour from this high here down to this low here, we have a bearish fib, right? So what I did was I used this bearish fib on the 4 hour for my target. So when I drop down to the 1 hour, you can see obviously you got more wicks and stuff now, and the initial entry was, I believe, off this candle right here. So yeah, we did go into drawdown straight away, but obviously it did come back up. So yeah, it was off this point here at 55.873, yeah, like that. And then I put the stops 30 pips just below these wicks of the last double bottom. And then obviously I said about the targets being that bearish fib. So I aimed for, believe it was the 61.8, because of we have that ascending trend line coming up, which then lines up with that 78.6 and the 61.8 of the bearish fib. So it just told me that that's a good target, as well as the sort of structure levels here, like these highs here, which would have obviously invalidated the fib because it went past 78.6. However, I did hold this trade, and I did tell my members to hold this trade up to the 78.6, I believe. Yeah, so I closed out at about 223 pips. So 7% profit. So the one actually annoying thing about this trade is that I didn't take it. Well, I did take it, but if we go down to the 1 hour, you can see I got in here, as well as where all my other members got in, and it came up and it rejected the 1 hour EMA. Now, on this particular day, my psychology wasn't really there because I had other stuff going on. So when I saw it come down and go below into drawdown here, I was like, look, I don't want to stay in this just because it messed around here for what 5 hours, and then it's just gone up and just come straight back down again. And I mean, idiot me, right? Because you take a Fibonacci level, put it from there up to the top. Look, it's just 61/8. So what you could have done was off that 61/8, bought again like that, and put your stop just below that wick there. So another 30 pip stop, same target. So this is a scaling, right? I've made another video on scaling. So if you've watched this and you go back and watch that one, I'll put it up in the corner up there, so you can watch that one as well. But yeah, so that scaling now has just turned this trade from a 1 to 7.3 from one trade, and another 7%. So you're now making 14%. So if you'd risk 1%, so yeah, if you had a £10,000 account and you risked 1% on both of these trades, so overall you're risking 2%, you'd have made £1,400, right? £1,400. So if you put 2% on one of them or 0.5% on the other, like say you risk 2% overall or 3% overall, you're getting close to that £2,000 mark. If you put 2% on both of them, then you're getting close to that £3,000 mark. And obviously this is a trade which only took, well there, it took just over a day to hit take profit. Now if you're trading an FTMO account with a £10,000 account, this one trade alone, you don't even need to get the scale in, you'll have passed your FTMO verification challenge. Like, we're making money. I've done another breakdown video. I can't remember if I released it yet or not, but that shows my profits and losses from the start of November to the end of December, so just the last 2 months of the year. But I want to be doing more videos like this one, so if you enjoyed it, if you like seeing my breakdown how I can actually trade, then make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, head over to the Instagram, drop me a message, drop me a follow, and I'll see you in the next video.